Good evening. Um, Welcome to JP Finity Toy Collecting, Customs, and Photography. This is part 5 of 6 of the unboxing of the Gamerverse 2 packs. I'm actually missing the Iron Man Mega Man 2 pack, which will be coming soon. It was the first one released, but it's coming in late. We've already unboxed the Civil Warrior and the Collector from Contest of Champions. We've also unboxed Black Widow and Ryu of Marvel vs. Capcom. Next we'll be doing Spider-Man. Spider-Man and Negative Man from the Spider-Man game. But very quickly, I just want to show you quickly Ryu and Black Widow. Black Widow has same old as the MCU Black Widow with the Gamora head, if you must know. And Ryu seems like the body is made from Namor or Mysterio. Alright, so let's proceed to the unboxing of Spider-Man and Negative Man. With like all the other boxes, you get the Marvel Gamerverse right here. Marvel Gamerverse logo. Spider-Man, name of the characters here, Mr. Negative. And the corresponding box art on the side. Funny though, this one doesn't show Negative Man, unlike the other two boxes, which show the character which is on that side. Yeah, you've got the game here. You've got a description of the figures, but it's very different from the other Gamerverse packs, which talks about the actual characters. Spider-Man has just one big description. That's why maybe the box art is different. You get the usual markings, usual warnings, usual information, age, etc. So yeah, that's what's different from the two other boxes. This guy doesn't show, it's not shown on the side, and does not have a separate description from the other character. Doesn't have a picture. Alright, let me grab a knife and try to open the box. Carefully. So here we are. We'll start off with Spider-Man. Ooh, look at that. The leg just popped off. The leg popped off. The leg pops off easily. And look at that. Because of the positioning of the blister pack, looks like the figure has become bow-legged. It's curved, the figure, the leg of the figure. And see that gap. The plastic feels cheaper than what we're usually dealing with Marvel Universe figures. This reminds me of the Mysterio legs. I think this is similar to the Future Foundation Spider-Man. Let me see if I can get it here. So there you go. Yeah, it seems the same as the Future Foundation Spider-Man. You see the same body type, same legs. The only thing that's different probably are the hands. Close fist, while this one's the web shooting hand. This one grabs a web, and this one's a close fist. Alright, so this one's not put together really nicely. See the gaps here and gaps here. I think this has warped a bit because of the way it's been placed in the blister pack. So it's warped and it's now bow-legged. So let's go back. It is very similar, or it's the same body type as the Future Foundation Spider-Man. The head sculpt looks new. Get the same joints on the feet, swivels on the calves, double jointed knees, swivels on the thighs, ball joints for the hips, waist swivels, ab crunches, and then you get the deltoid and wrist articulations, and you get articulation on the neck, swivel. It's a swivel hinge, I think, or I don't know what it's called. I forget what it's called. It comes with a web. This is a new type of web for Spider-Man figures. Usually it's the tangled mess. Now this one's neater. Instead of these guys, which is really messy, this one looks a lot cooler. There you go. Looks like a web. Thwip. Alright, we'll move on to Mr. Negative. There you go. I will take a quick break and we will focus on talking about Mr. Negative after this short break.